Welcome to KEY360, How to Create a New Document Using Action Tools training video. KEY360 uses standard document or drawing and revision principles. Once logged in to the correct project, please follow the steps to create a new document via Action Tools. You will find the knowledge areas at the top. Open up Communication, Document Registers, Document List. Click on the Categorization button. A form will pop up. Make sure that there is a tick in the Name column under WBS. The WBS has been pre-set up and will be explained in more detail during our framework training video. Close and save. This is our Action Tool button. Click on the triangle on our Action Tool icon. There are multiple options for creating new documents. Create new document and revision, create new document, revision, and attachment, create new revision and attachment. Let's start with clicking Create New Document, Revision and Attachment. This will open our document revision attachment form. Please note that the first time you open the form, all the sections will be collapsed. KEY360 will remember the last setting when saving your form and will apply those settings to the next time you open it again. Let's open the relevant tabs: Categorization, Document Details, Document Numbers, Document Revision Details, and Attachment Details. Let's start by adding Categorization from our WBS. Select the drop-down, Planning. Let's collapse this column and go to Document Details. First off, document types. Document types are specific to the setup done in your environment, but some examples could include detailed drawings, general arrangements, commercial letters, and templates. We can add more drop-downs if the desired option is not available by clicking on the right icon, Show Select from Detailed List. A form will pop up with all our options. Click on the Add New button. Another form will pop up. Let's add our desired option. Our code is MM, and the name is Minutes of Meeting. You're welcome to add a description if necessary. Close and save our form. Select Minutes of Meeting and close and save. This can be done for all drop-downs with this icon on the right side of it. Let's add our title. Minutes of Meeting, our description, Weekly Monday Morning Tea Meeting, the document status, submitted, the owner, and our company. Our document details have been completed. Next step, document numbers. There are three options for document numbers. Normally, the internal document number is your company document number. The external document number is your client's number, and the supplementary number can be your vendor number. You can use all three or just one depending on your preference. A very important note on document numbers. There is no number duplication allowed in KEY360. Unique number validation exists on all three numbers. Therefore, if you upload a document that already exists, you will get a notification on the system. Let's add our internal document number. Document revision details. Again, there is no revision version duplication in KEY360. A unique number validation exists on the revision version combination. Since this is our first revision, we're going to give it OA and our version number 01. The revision status is submitted. This is our latest document revision. Therefore, we must ensure that the box is ticked. If we're uploading an old revision, we would not tick this box. Attachment details. This is where we attach the digital file. Any digital file type can be attached here. There are three options when attaching a file: disk, bucket, or camera. Let's select disk, which is from your hard drive. Click the Upload yellow button, and our document folder will pop up. Search for your relevant document, click, and press OK. You're welcome to add a comment to the attachment as well. Now our form has been completed. Press Save and close. Our document revision form will pop up to ensure that you've got your revision number and version number. Now that we're happy, save and close. We've come back to our document list. Press refresh. Expand. And we now can see our document has been successfully uploaded onto the system. Revision number A, version number 1. Let's presume that a lot of time has passed and we've received a new revision for this document that we've just created. Minute meetings, revision B. To add a new revision, select the document and click on the action tool arrow, create new revision and attachment. Are you sure you want to run this action? Yes, we are sure. Our document revision attachment form will pop up. As you can see, our document details have already been filled in. Although our document revision details haven't. Since this is a new revision, we're going to add Rev B, although the version is the same. And this is the latest revision. Let's attach our document. Select Disk, Upload, select our new file, press OK, save and close. Again, our document revision folder form will pop up. Ensure that the revisions and versions are correct and press save and close. We've come back to our document list. Refresh. Now you can see that our meetings of minutes Rev B has come onto our grid. Thank you for watching how to create a new document using Action Tools training video.